streets. Your name echoes in every corner, in every alley. Asphalt that